Jakey, how does it feel to shoot a bird with your pellet gun? They're coming for you! Poor little birdie.
Here, take him up on the step and just leave him there.
Oh, what are we going to tell Mary that a drop-dead bird just came down on her lawn? Isn't it like against the law to shoot a bird? What fort? What fort?
The porch.
Porch? Okay, you want the birdie? Want the birdie?
No.
This is so freaking weird.
Take it. Put it on the hot tub.
Hot tub? Jake, I swear to God, if cops come and arrest us, I'm so blaming you. Even though it was your fault. Look at that bird. I'm putting this on YouTube, man. What?
I think the birds are rattled, so they don't want to come out.
You know, I'm going to break my butt trying to get across this ice. What? Don't shoot it! No. You know what, Jake? I'm not filming you shoot this bird. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Fly, birdie, fly. Oh, Jake, just don't hurt him. Casey just ran into the hot tub. Did you shoot him? Oh. Jake, what should I do with Hubert? Look at that. Publish. Dude, this is like all ice, literally. Ooh. Dude, look at this. How are we gonna get? How are we gonna get? Oh my God, it's all ice. Holy shit. Man. Look, we can't even walk on this. How are we gonna get out of here? I wanna go to Gamer's house. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Come on, Jake, let's go inside. It's cold. Oh my God. Don't shoot the freaking bird.